This is an unboxing video of a GPS tracker that I recently bought from Jumia. It's a simple gadget that can be used to track cars and motorcycles, and it is very easy to install. So this unboxing video is going to show you how the gadget works and how to actually track your vehicle using it. As you can see, the gadget comes with quite a number of things. The first is the GPS tracker itself. Then of course there are the connection cables. Now these cables need to be connected to a power source. It requires a direct current, so you just need a source that is going to provide 12 volts. So you just need to hook the gadget to any source of power that is providing 12 volts. Now this gadget requires a SIM card, so you need to identify a service provider that is in your area. You buy the SIM card, you register it, just like you do for a normal SIM card that you intend to use in your phone. Then you install it. Comes with a manual, and as you can see, the manual is quite elaborate. If you follow the manual, it becomes very easy to actually install this gadget yourself. So this is something you can actually do for yourself, because you just need 12 volts from your car battery, and then you hook your device somewhere where there are no obstructions at the top, especially, so you cannot hook it under metallic sections. Those sections that are covered by metals, you should not hook it there. Once the device is powered on, you're going to see three indicators. One is indicating that the gadget is powered. The other one is indicating that it's either connected or not connected yet to the satellite. You're going to see it blinking. And then there's also an indicator for the mobile network service provider for the SIM card that you are using in the gadget. Now this gadget is going to allow you to send a message to it, and then it will send you a message, and the message it sends you contains information about the location of your vehicle, among its other details like whether it is moving and at what speed, and so forth and so forth and so forth down. Now there are two ways through which you can find out the location of your item. For example, if it's a motorcycle or a car, one, you can send an SMS, or two, you can use an app that we are going to download. Now if you're going to use an SMS service, you're going to send an SMS text to the phone number that you installed in your GPS gadget. So you send a message, and the message is SMS link 123456, and then you click on send. Once the message is sent, after a few seconds you're going to receive an SMS. The SMS has quite a number of details. Of course, it will carry the identification for your gadget, the email. It also has a Google location. You can click on the link and it will open the Google Maps, and it also has some other details. It will give you the latitude and longitude. It will also tell you whether the car is moving or not, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Now it is very important that the line that you install there has some airtime to allow for it to be able to send an SMS. The message is not free, so the SIM card is going to use the credit or the airtime that is in there so that it can send you a response. So if there is no airtime, you will not get any response. It's important to recharge your line before you install it, or find a way of recharging it while it is still installed in there. Remember, you can also download an app. It's called DAGPS from Play Store, and install it, and then you link it to your device, and then you are able to track your device. Now this way you will not need to recharge your SIM card, because you will always get a location as long as you are connected to the internet. Take time to explore the app. It allows you to accomplish a number of things. You can set alarms for when maybe the vehicle starts moving in any direction, you get an alarm. You can also put a fence on it. You can track movement so that you know where the vehicle is going, and so forth and so forth. And you always get details about the speed of the vehicle, whether it has stopped, whether it is moving, and the direction, the coordinates. you enjoyed watching the video, please subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.